Hello guys, today we are going to change our signal lamps. As you know, this is the lowest package and we don't have a LED light here. We will change this bulb, we will put a LED and we will see the difference. First place we need to take out this plastic, and we have two bolts here, these ones. I'm going to use 10mm. I take out these ones. Now I need to pull. Now here our socket, we will take out this halogen bulb and we will change with the LED. This is the difference.